Hey everybody, welcome to Turf Wars. We are putting this video out because we have 3 grand announcements that we are going to announce soon. I don't need these, sorry. We are going to have a contest though for these announcements. You're going to guess what the announcements are. Again, there are 3 announcements. To enter, you need to comment on this video what you think the announcements are, subscribe to our channel, please, and like this video, and that'll get you entered to win this awesome contest. I'm going to show you what you're going to be winning. It's going to be our biggest giveaway we've ever had. Without further ado, I'm going to show you what you're going to win. Up first is you'll be winning this $50 AMC movie gift card. Awesome. And by the way, I'm really jealous of the winner because there's so many great prizes. This is a big one, guys. Platinum Gold Party Package. This is our biggest, most expensive party package, and we're giving it away free. It's gonna include 2 hours of playtime in the arena, 30 minutes in our party room, and this is a private party, y'all. We're gonna supply the pizza, cake, and drinks, so you don't have to bring any of that. And we're including the party favors, which are gonna be glow accessories, so you can wear them during your glow party. And we are also including the party supplies, so you don't have to bring any tablecloths, napkins, cups, plates. And also it is an $845 value. So snatch that one up. Also, this one's my personal favorite. I might be biased, but we are giving away a $100 Turf Wars gift card. And the last but not least, we are giving away this massive blaster with extra ammo. This is about a $60 value, maybe more. I wanted to reiterate, if you want to win all this stuff that was in this envelope, you need to comment on this video what you think our 3 announcements are, subscribe to our channel, and like this video, please, 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 guys. All right, I also wanted to let you know that we're going to announce the winners and the big grand announcements on my birthday, July 18th. So look out for the video. And I also wanted to let you guys know that throughout this entire video were hints for the announcements. So go ahead and watch again and see if you can find those hints. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching and good luck to you guys. Bye.